Hello from Oldham Volkswagen. Here we have some fantastic stock today in the approved used Volkswagen Polo SE 1.0 TSI 65 PS EVO in the stylish Urano Grey finish. This remarkable car is currently available at Oldham Volkswagen and does include a minimum of 2 years Volkswagen approved used warranty alongside flexible finance packages available. To get yourself a tailored finance quote or book yourself in for a test drive, please get in touch on 0161 825 8520. We're more than happy to provide more information. Now, the video tour will host a 360 walkaround alongside a second part segment going through some features and functions. The upgraded 15-inch Saner black diamond turned alloy wheels offer a really stylish and eye-catching look. And the upgraded power folding wing mirrors do fold in when locked to provide safety for the vehicle, ensuring we minimise the risk of damaging them. At the back of the car, you'll notice the ISO fixed points in the back for rear child seats, making this a convenient, fantastic little family car as well. The upgraded alloys truly do captivate a stylish look for this car, especially when partnered with the Urano Grey finish. As we do access the boot directly, here you'll see we gain access to a fairly spacious boot size, big enough to fit a weekly shop inside. And if you need additional storage space or height, we also have space underneath there for a spare wheel as well. The car has had 3 owners, but you can be rest assured it's been well maintained during its life cycle. As we do access the front of the car directly, here you'll see we have the multi-function steering wheel that does give access to your dashboard display, amongst a few other functionalities that we will touch on a little bit later. You can see the Titan black interior upholstery, which really does create a stylish and eye-catching look to this car. Thanks for watching the 360 walk around of the approved used Volkswagen Polo SE. If you'd like to stick around, we will be going inside the car, taking a closer look at some of the features and functions. So without further ado, let's take a look inside. Inside the car, we have the multi-function steering wheel, which is leather wrapped, so it offers a comfortable grip for a comfortable driving experience. To the right hand side, we have the controls of the automatic headlights, ensuring they're on at the correct times, alongside the central locking, wing mirror and window controls on the driver's door handle. These are all accessible and very easy to access whilst on the move. As we turn the engine, the car springs into life as all the displays activate, and now we gain access to this dashboard display, showing key information like our driving data, audio and telephone. And you can also check if your rear passengers have their belts on, and you also have 24,063 miles on the clock there. Over to the left hand side, you have functionalities such as your speed limiter, ensuring you do stick to speed limits. Over to the infotainment screen, a wide range of options are hosted. When going into App Connect, we gain access to the Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and our Mirror Link, allowing us to safely display our phone directly through the car to access driver-safe applications, including Google Maps navigation, which is great as it bypasses the limitation that Polos do have of having no navigation. The car also incorporates the upgraded functionality of the Parking Pilot, which is your front and back parking sensors that fill yourself with confidence and safety on every manoeuvre. It ensures that you minimise the risk of damaging your car in any way, and it's great for places like shopping centres where parking is traditionally a little bit too tight. As we make our way into telephone, we can also make calls directly through the car via Bluetooth. A great safety function, as you don't need to touch your phone whilst driving, you can do it directly through the car's infotainment screen. Once again, thanks for watching. This has been the remarkable approved used Volkswagen Polo, currently available at Oldham Volkswagen. If you'd like to come down, have a look at the car for yourself, but even have a look at some of our flexible finance packages available, or to learn more about the 2 years Volkswagen approved used warranty, please get in touch on 0161 825 8520. We're more than happy to provide more information on this vehicle.